G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In today's tutorial we are going to replicate this particular image that I created, which has been a hit on some of the channels I'm associated with, so I really appreciate all the feedback and the interest that this has made momentum. So let's get stuck into it. So as you can see there, the text is hello. So let's create that text. So as you can see up here, I've created it previously in the one that I was looking at before. So I use this font, this size, so we'll go down and replicate that again. So let's go over to text. We'll add a heading. In caps, we'll go hello. Alright, we'll go to letter spacing and we'll just increase the letter spacing slightly for this one. Alright, keep it as everything else. We'll go here, we'll choose the same font. Alright, that one there. We'll increase it all the way up. Alright, close enough to what we saw above. Okay, we'll just position that in the center and middle. We'll change this font to white. Okay, like that. We'll go to elements, we'll grab a shape and we'll expand it out. We'll change this shape color to yellow and we'll send it to back. We'll expand it out slightly just past the letters. Then we'll download that. Current page. We'll save it to our file. We'll create a new page, go over to uploads, go to upload files and upload that into Canva. What we'll do there is we'll expand it out to the page dimensions. Down a little bit. Come over here to edit photo, background remover. Okay, so wait for the tick to appear up here. We'll go to elements and I will try to find the element I used before, which is this one here. So happy student waving international flags. So bring that into the picture. Extend it out past the letters. Okay, a layer. Send backwards. And then come over to elements. Grab another shape. You'll change this one to yellow as well. Okay, duplicate that. Move down there. Duplicate again. Over that. So you want to cover all the white spaces. Okay, then we download that again. Page. While that's happening, go to a new page. Go to uploads. Alright, we call that hello 2. Upload files. Go hello too. Alright. Drag that in. Expand it out. And just drop this down slightly. Go to photo. Background remover. As you can see, the background's removed, so we'll just tighten this up around the word. Okay, so there you have the base of the hello. Now all we have to do is go on there and press Command D for the Mac, or Control D I think for the PC. Place that on top, and you can adjust this word either way. You can go up twice, out to the left twice, up twice, out to the right, down twice, to the left or right. So it just depends on which way that you want to go. So I'm just going to go one up and one to the left. And then what you want to do is press Control D a couple of times, right? And as you can see there, it's extended the height or depth of the letter, of the word, sorry. Then what I did is just go to, you want to change this now to, I guess, whatever color. As you can see there, I changed it to a reddish color. Alright, so basically just click on the top layer, go to Edit Photo, go to Geotone, go to Custom, and then you can drag it all the way over to there for the highlights, and then all the way over there for the shadow. Alright, as you can see, you've got that red layer on top. Then you just come to the background, and I changed the background, as you can see, to black. Alright, as you can see there. And I added in a couple more elements. So if I come over here to Elements and scroll down, you can see I use these ones here. So Gold Magic Galaxy Overlay, Red Nebula Overlay, and I'm pretty sure I used a red light, this here. So that is the Lens Flare Glowing Red Light Special Effect. Okay, so let's add this in here. Just add this and move it around. Duplicate. Alright. Duplicate again. And duplicate again. So what you want to do is come to Layers, go to Show Layers. You want to grab all these. And you just want to drag them down behind. Okay. Then over at Elements again. Okay, scroll down. Click on this element here. And turn that around. Right. So basically, I had a few elements on top, a few elements behind. So either way you want to do it, whichever makes your design look the way that you want it to look. Alright. You can come up to transparency, drop the transparency down a bit on these. Like that. Alright, whichever way you really want it to make it look. And you can add this one in. So with these, I came over to the O, for example, clicked on Layers, right, that opens, click on Position, go to Layers, and I took that down sort of here. Alright, scroll up, have a look at this one. So I sort of positioned it Where did I position that one? Let's have a look. Go to layers. Probably, yeah, position, layers. So I position those more towards the back. So if we come back down to this one, alright, and then I drag that all the way down there. Alright, sort of brought that out. And then duplicate that again. Alright, bring this over to here. Alright, I'll sort of put that towards the back again, as you can see here. So grab that, bring that down to here. Alright. Not every design I make into a video is ever really the same as the first one. You sort of have a brain spurt and get the first one done, and then everything else after that is different. So again, you can add another bit of an element in here and reduce the transparency on that one. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Again, like I said, my first design is as it is with these all here. I've added a few extra in the second one, but that's basically the way I did it, is just with this hello text, remove the background, added in a picture behind it, extended out the letter depth, word depth, added a color on top, and there you have it, another hello design. So thank you very much for your interest in all this. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.